Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today I am making sweet pineapple shrimp. I first made this recipe 5 or 6 years ago when I first started My Healthy Dish. Today, it's still one of the most popular recipes on my blog. So, I'm gonna show you step by step how to cut this pineapple and cook the shrimp. The most complicated part of this recipe is actually cutting the pineapple because I want to make it into a bowl. So I have a really sharp knife, and instead of cutting it this way, we're going to almost stab it and then push down. I want the leaves as well in my bowl. Oh, the sweetness of the pineapple. It reminds me of Hawaii. You don't want this rough part, so we're going to cut all of it out. Cut along that line. This way, horizontal, and now we're gonna cut around it. Okay, here's the fun part. We're just gonna start scooping it out. So we got all the edible part out. There you have it. We have our pineapple bowl. Okay, so let's heat up this pan to like medium-high heat. I have some olive oil. Pan's heated. We first add the garlic. Shrimp cooks really fast, so we're gonna add the pineapple first actually. Let it release some of that juice. Pineapple has a lot of natural sugar, so it'll kind of caramelize a little bit. Add a little bit of sea salt, some black pepper. So let's make a little circle here for our shrimp. Season the shrimp too. The shrimp is starting to turn pink. That's what we're looking for. When it's almost done, you want to add in your last few ingredients here, which is our green onion. What is sweet pineapple shrimp without our sweet chili sauce? Okay, we're done. Here is the finished product. Smells so good in this kitchen. We have our bowl here. Let's just scoop this shrimp in here. And don't forget the sauce. Okay, so we filled this pineapple bowl to the top with shrimp and pineapple. It looks so good. It smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. If you like this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com.